Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a sheet pan jerk shrimp. I'm starting off the recipe by spreading 1 tablespoon of cooking oil onto an aluminum foil lined sheet tray. And then I'll be spreading across 1 medium onion that's been thinly sliced, as well as 2 chopped bell peppers. For the shrimp, I have 1.5 pounds of large, cleaned, peeled, and deveined shrimp. And I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Be tossing the shrimp to make sure that they're all coated with the cooking oil. And then I'll sprinkle on 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning. Once the shrimp are evenly coated with the seasoning, it gets spread over top of the vegetables. After the shrimp are evenly spread out, I'll sprinkle on about 10 ounces of diced pineapple. This is now going to go into the oven under the broiler for about 5 minutes, and I'll probably stop and stir it every couple of minutes until the shrimp are cooked all the way through. I'll be serving the jerk chicken over top of bed of coconut rice along with a lime wedge. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of that across the top, and then let's go ahead and dive in and try it out. The shrimp are perfectly cooked and the vegetables have lost a lot of their rawness. They still have a lot of texture though, and the pineapple is a really good sweet counterbalance to the heaviness of the jerk seasoning. Overall, this is an excellent little midweek meal that I had ready in under 30 minutes. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.